Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Friday, September 24th, a rare morning pre-market open video. We want to get you guys caught up. Let me start with our wave count going into the 23rd. You can see here is the hourly bar. This was on the 22nd. A 1 down, a 2 up, a 3 down, and we had a 4 high right there. And we had a make or break of 44.35. What happened? The market broke that wave 4 count. While it broke the smaller degree wave count, it did not break the larger degree wave count, which counts the high here, and it actually ended up being more bearish, if you can believe that. But we'll get into that here shortly. Okay, we can see now. Let's get into the S&P. And we'll show you guys, this is an hourly bar. That is the September 2nd high. And since that couldn't be a 4, what the alternate count was, and this went out to our subscribers. Let me get that to you guys here really quick. Yesterday morning, in a morning alert, in the first half hour of trading, you can see our wave 4 make or break was broken. And we had but an alternate count kicked in. Okay, and this is the alternate count in black. It's a primary count now. That was alternate before the wave 4 44.35 was broken. You can see here we've got a series of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 1 down, an A, B, C up. We had targets here at, now this is 2 because that 4 was broken. Okay, so 2 targets, a 618 retracement here, C equals A right there, and then a 786 retracement way up here. This was early in the trading, the first half hour of trading yesterday. Subscribers to our monthly subscription service, which is daily reports, and lately they're almost hourly, at least a couple times a day all week. Anyway, this is the new operative count, and like I said, it's even more bearish. We'll get into that. It was bullish short term for 1 day, the 23rd, which now is obviously marked the wave 2 high, the turn date. Okay, the next turn dates in the sequence are the 10-3 to 10-6 cluster, or October 3rd to October 6th cluster. Okay, so here is the S&P hourly bar. You can see we've got a 1 down, a 2 up, a 3 down, a 4 up, a 5. That is 1. This is 2. There's yesterday on the 23rd on the turn date. Let's look at this here for projections on where this will go. Let's get the extension here if we can. I'll get that as close as I can to actual. It might be off by a point or 2, but you can see what makes this more bearish is now instead of 5 down and then another wave up, the wave up is over. All right, and that is 2 up. There is 1 down in the red. There is 2 up. 3 equals 1 where? At 42.23 and a 1.618 at 40.27. Do we have more? If not, let's put more in just to cover it. Let me get into settings here. Yeah, I do have it. It's just way off the charts. Okay, there's the 2.618 at 38.33. What's the make or break for 2? Well, 2 can go, let's get that here, and we had it on the picture, but we'll do it here for you guys. Let's get a Fibonacci retracement. There we go. See how accurate we can get on this. I should have expanded that out, and I will. Let me do that here. There you can see our targets. This is a little clearer. Let's add in the 786 settings. There is the 786. There we go. Okay, so this 2 up here that began on the 20th and appears to have ended on the 23rd, we could still allow for a move up to the 786. It cannot break the wave, the beginning of the first wave down, or the top of the bull market at 45.45. That's the make or break for the larger count. That still holds. Okay, so here we are. This should be 3 of 3. This could go up a little further, but it looks to be the top with an A, B, C, and the C was more than a 1.618 or near it of A. So let's get into our, we did the pre-market open, the morning alert there. You can see the top count kicked in. Okay, and then we can get to our post-market last night, yesterday, After the close, second wave high on 923. Here you can see all the targets. All right, there is in the black the primary wave count, completed 5 waves down to the 920 low, and there's a second wave high. Now our alternate count is even more bearish. It keeps getting more bearish and more bearish, even though that wave 4 high was negated with that make or break at 44.35. It kicked in the alternate counts, and the red is alternate, which makes it a series of 1s and 2s. We can call this 1 and 2, and this is 1 of 3, and this is 2 of 3, so we'd be entering a 3 of 3. So either it's the beginning of the third wave or the beginning of the third wave to the downside. I put those multiple targets in there because third waves can take on any multiple they want, 1.618, 2.618, 3 and 4, and so on. So we'll see how that plays out. The 923 turn date with the next turn date of 10/3 to 10/6. Okay, let's see what else we have here for you guys. I think, yeah, that was it. There is that one. There is that one. Oh, before we forget, subscribers, I mentioned the monthly subscriptions here. They're getting this stuff right at the moment, and they had an alternate count in advance. You can see our guess the closing price of the S&P contest, annual subscription, and the video on demand. Also, I want to show you guys our disclaimer here. There we go with our awards and our top 10s over the years. We got that there. And also want to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, hitting the reminder bell and the like button. And if it didn't show up, we'll show you what it looks like. It looks like that, only much smaller. Thank you guys again. Let's get back into the analysis here. Let's see what else we have on our agenda. We had the morning alert, the post market. There we go. We got that covered. So I really wanted to cover this with you guys. Let me see if there was any other. We got that. Yeah, and that this 923 is now the top of 2. I'll update this over the weekend for our subscribers, and the turn dates. Now this marked, instead of a 3 low, it marked a 2 high. Like I said, it's even more bearish. But here is the operating count in black. 5 waves down, 3 waves up, 1 down. I think I got it in red there. There we go. And 2 up. And we can show this one with our alternate count here. Okay, 1 down, 2 up, or 1, 2, 1, 2. 3 of 3 on deck. So we'll see what happens today. We'll see how the 923 turn date turns out. If it's on with 0 slippage, there was a high of 2 yesterday, and here comes 3. Okay, wanted to get you guys quickly up to date. Thank you, and till next time, take care, everyone.